Hello everyone. So welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about SD sheet problem, which is name is called convert array into zigzag fashion. Okay. So now we will discuss about that problem statement. You have given an array which is named called ARR of distinct element. The distinct element which is means of that each and every element would be unique of size n and having a size n. Your task is to rearrange the element, rearrange of this given array element into zigzag fashion, and the zigzag fashion is array of 0 is less than array of 1, but array of 1 is greater than array of 2, and array of 2 is less than array of 3, but array of 3 is greater than array of 2, up to till array of n. Okay, now we will discuss about that problem example, and here are the example of which is length of this array is 7. Okay, and this is our given array which is having a size n. Okay, and now what we will do, we will simply convert this array into this form, which is satisfy our this condition. Okay, so now how we can solve it, what logic we have to be comes in our mind. First of all, we will simply check that we will simply satisfy this condition and traverse the array into by the loop. Okay, so how we can solve it, I'm just explaining you. The array of one element is less than array of 0, but according to this condition, but according to this given array, our array of 0th element is greater than array of 1, greater than array of 1. Okay, array of 1. So what we will do, we will simply we will simply swap this value, we will simply swap this value. After the swapping of this value, the array would be converted into this form: 3 comma 4 comma 7 comma 8 comma 6 comma 2 comma 1. Okay, now again we will check that is array of 1 is greater than array of 2. No, array of 1 is does not greater than array of 2, does not greater than array of 2. Okay, so now again we will swap this value, again we will swap. Okay, so after the swapping, now our array element is 3 comma 7 comma 4 comma 8 comma 6 comma uh, 2 comma 1. Okay, 2 comma 1. I hope it would be clear to you what I am just trying to say. Okay, so now according to this condition, so this condition is satisfied for this three value, for this three value. Okay, now again what we will do, we will simply move on the next element. Now currently it is pointing to this array element, now it would be move with this value, in this value. Okay, so again we will check that is array of 8 is greater than uh, array of element 4. Yes, it is greater than array of element 4, means of that this is satisfy this required condition. Okay, just saying that array of 3 is greater than array of 2. So now current element array of 2 is 4, and 4 is less than array of 8, array of 3 which is element 8. Okay, now again we'll check that array of 4 is less than array of 3. So array of fourth element is that 6, and 6 is less than 6 is less than, okay, by the value of 8. Okay, so now it is also satisfied with the condition. So what we will do, we will simply move with that next element, and the next element is, 2, because this satisfy this condition of for the 3 value. So pointing of this value would be move on to the next element, which is not have to be satisfy the condition. Now again we will check that is 2 is greater than array of 6, which is satisfy the another condition of so on. Okay, so no, 2 is does not greater than 6. So what we will do, we will simply swap the value, of this array. So now our given array would be swapping into this 3 comma 7 comma 4 comma 8 comma comma 2 comma 1, 2 comma 6 comma 1. Okay, so now again we will check that, is array of 6, array of 6 is, because now at this position this value is swapped. So again we will check that if array of 6 is greater than the array of 1, yes, is greater than array of 1. Okay, array of element of last element which is 1, so this is satisfy the whole of this whole of the condition. So we have to return this modification of this array. I hope it would be clear to you. I am just understanding that this is a very zigzag manner of this fashion, and we have to be converted. Okay, now we have to discuss another example, which is having a size 4, and this give, and the array element is that 1 4 3. So how we can solve it? How we can solve it? Again we will check that 1 comma 4 comma 3 comma 2. Okay, now we will check that array of 4, array of fourth element, array of 4, not a fourth element, array of 4 is greater than array of 1. Yes, it is satisfy the condition. It is satisfy the condition. Okay, so now what we will do, we will check that another value is array of 1, which is element is 3, is less than array of element of 4. Yes, it is also so satisfy the condition. So these three values satisfy the condition. Okay, so this three value is in order of zigzag fashion. Okay, now again we will move that next element. So is array of 2 is less than array of 3? No, array of 2 is does not less than array of 3. So what we will do, we will simply swap this way to satisfy the condition of zigzag manner. So now our array will be modified by this 1 comma 4 comma 2 comma. Okay, so now again we'll check that is array of 3 is greater than array of 2. Yes, and the another element is not present in this given array, so this is our modification of the array. This is our modification of this array, and this is our resultant array. Okay, I hope it would be clear to you that what I am applying this logic here. So now we will move on to that coding part. Okay. So here are the example. We have to be firstly current that first of element which is array of 1, and again we will check that if array of 1 I minus 1 means of that array of element 0 is greater than array of element of 1. So what we will do, we will simply swap this way. Simply swap this way. If array of one element is less than array of 2, array of one element is less than array of 2. So now we will again swap this value. So now I am just explaining you that why I will satisfy this condition. Why I will write this condition I plus 1 less than n, because of that this condition. This condition, they have not a right element of this. Okay, not present, not not present. So to to satisfy this condition, we have to be that follow these types of the rule, which is I plus 1 is less than n, means of that array is exhausted here. That's why I am writing this line. Okay, now this array would be converted into that zigzag form after this modification. Okay, after this modification, and then we will return this array, and after this array return, the the condition is also saying that if it is correct, so our output will be 1. Okay, else output will be 0. So now I'm just running the code here. Yeah, so our output is equal to that expected output. So this is the solution of this code example, and here the solution of Java. So this is the solution of Java, which is simple. Nothing we have to changes. We have to swap this value. Okay, swap this value, and now again we have to check this condition, and then again we have to swap this. And we have to run this code, and this value is also expected to our output. Okay, so I hope it would be clear to you, and I hope it would be understandable for you. So if you have any doubt, so please comment on my channel. Please like my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.